In today's video, I am going to teach you how to let clients build their own quote Pandadoc. To begin, open the template you want to use for your quote. Starting from a template is important because it lets you control the structure, branding, and pricing rules, while still giving the client a guided way to choose what they need. Once the template is open, go to the Insert menu. From there, choose the Pricing Table block. This pricing table is the key piece that will let clients interact with the quote, so make sure you place it where it fits naturally in your document, usually near the Scope of Work or Package section. Next, click the Settings option, which is the small gear icon for the pricing table. In these settings, enable row selection. This allows your client to pick which line items they want included, instead of you having to create separate quotes for every combination. It is a simple change, but it makes the quote feel more like a guided checkout experience. After that, add a quantity column to the pricing table. Then enable editable quantity for clients. This setting gives your client the ability to adjust how many units, hours, seats, or items they want depending on what you are selling. A helpful tip here is to make sure your item names are clear, so clients know exactly what they are increasing or decreasing. Keeping labels specific reduces confusion and helps prevent accidental overordering. Now move to the Items section of the pricing table. Click Items, then choose Add from Catalog. This lets you pull in multiple options from your saved catalog, which keeps your pricing consistent and reduces manual entry errors. Select the items you want available in this quote, so the client can choose among them using the row selection you enabled earlier. As the client selects rows and adjusts quantities, the grand total will update automatically. This is useful because it gives immediate pricing feedback without any extra work on your side. When everything looks correct, click Send to deliver the document to your client. That covers everything you need to know.